So we're running two different events simultaneously. We're running the AI workshop for educators and the Datathon from Hack the Border. So this year we have a 2 days, full days for a workshop for AI for educators. We recognize that AI is here to stay, but at the same time we want to see the implications that we have in the classroom. So having educators from EPCC in the region, we have a couple of them from Region 19, we have the Socorro Independent School Districts, a couple of ISDs as a matter of fact, the Borderplex. So there are a total of 50 faculty who were invited in a very selective and competitive way to be part of this 2-day event from NCyTE. Is the National Cybersecurity Training Education Center, is one of the 5 main centers in the United States that they train faculty in different areas. So these 2 days are wonderful days because they're gonna infuse all these tools that there are there in AI, how you can use those tools in the classroom. It's a beautiful event that they will show you all these tools, the techniques, and how they use into the separate technologies. Now we have faculty from health, education, ESL, teacher preparation, psychology, philosophy, mathematics, computer science, all the gamut. We covered the majority of the areas here at EPCC. So we're very, very happy, very proud. Now, day 2, we have also the Datathon. So we have, as part of a Hack the Border, is one of our signature events, we have Datathons. So now we have a bunch of data that is being provided by El Paso Electric. So in Microsoft, they both work together to create experiential learning. So we have experiential learning, have students that we can see right here in the back. They're working the entire day working with a data set. The data set basically help us to recognize visualization, data extraction, what exactly that data means in El Paso region, what the data means in the region from Las Cruces, New Mexico, Texas, and Ciudad Juarez, what the data means globally or nationally. So it's a beautiful event. We have coaches that have been helping the students. We have Professor Ponuk, who has been also essential to working in the visualization tool. So we complement this in order to help the students at EPCC to recognize a multidisciplinary areas that they can apply their knowledge, their durable skills, their marketable skills, and how they bring it to the classroom, to outside of the classroom, maybe to get an internship, to get a co-op or a fellowship. Those are the instruments that we're trying to use to infuse it in this experiential learning. That is why it's very essential for EPCC to come here and support these events, because we're part of this whole community effort to help the students to go to the next level, get them a job, and hopefully stay in El Paso, Texas, so they can bring more of those initiatives after they graduate.